guys, it's Nikki, Creative Nikki's Homemade Crafts. Today I would like to teach you how to make reversible pom-poms. It is super easy, as you just saw. You can simply turn them around whenever you feel like it, and then you have a different color. That's cool when you want to mix up your hat and make it different easily by using reversible pom-poms. Now, you simply use these two sets of strings when you are tying them in onto your hat, and then you just tie them up like you would do with normal shoes. Okay, and then that way you can take them off anytime you wish, turn them around, and reattach them. Okay, so let's get started. You're going to need two circles, and mine are a diameter of 6 inches, just two circles of two different faux fur. And you're going to need some yarn and a very pointy needle. I have one that is a little thicker but still very pointy, okay? So you're going to need a pointy one. I would not recommend a tapestry needle. I'm using here some darker yarn so that you can see where I'm going. And then you're also going to need a little bit of stuffing. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to lay your circles on top of each other. We're going to go all the way around, almost to the end. We're going to put a little bit of stuffing in and then finish it up. So I simply push my needle through both layers. Now that can be a little bit tricky, okay? So I've had a few people saying it's hard to do. So what I do is, do you see me moving it around a little bit? I'm making the hole just slightly bigger so that when I pull my needle through, so just simply move over just a tad and then keep on going. So you're kind of going into waves. So be aware it can be a little tricky, especially when you have two layers. You can also just do one layer at a time if you like. But as I said, the easiest way to do it is to kind of stretch that hole out just a tad, okay? So when you go through, what I like to do sometimes is just do one layer at a time. Then it's not going to be so hard. So I stay around the edge, but not exactly on the edge. Okay, and then just keep on going all the way around. But I'm going to keep a little gap right here so that I can add the stuffing in it. So let me keep going, and then I'll show you how to add the stuffing and finish it up. Okay, so now I finished almost all the way around. So now I'm going to add just a little bit of stuffing. Really not a lot, it's just to give it a little bit of volume. So it really doesn't need to be a lot. In fact, I don't want you to add too much because it's going to be hard otherwise to make it nice and round and fluffy. It's going to be harder to turn it. Now, we need to now finish our circle. I wanted to also give you one more slight tip in case you have a really hard time getting your needle through. This is just a simple tapestry needle. What I like to do is just hold it right where I need it to be, and just hold it like this and press really hard. I have something underneath here so it won't damage my table or anything. And then that way the hole is big enough now to pull my needle through very easily, as you can see. No problems at all, okay? So let's do one more here. So I'm going to do it about here. It's about halfway through here. There's my hole. There we go. Okay, so now we did it all the way around. As you can see, I finished about at the same spot as I started. So now what I need to do is right on the opposite side. So about here, so this is where it ends, about on the opposite side, I need to add one more string as a U. So you go one in and one out pretty much. Okay, so now I have one here and one here. So one of the ends is going to be the one that is woven all the way around, and the other one is simply so you can actually attach your pom-pom where you need it to be. Okay, so all you have to do now is pull You stuff the side that you don't want to see right now in, simply like that. So just stuff it in, and now you're ready to go. So now what you do is, this looks like it's open and you're going to be like, oh no, this is just going to fall apart. No, it's not. So what you're going to do, you're going to weave one set like this through your hat, then you do the other set, and then you just simply tie it up from the inside of your hat. I'm going to pretend that the hat is here right now, and then you're going to make just a normal tie as you would normally do. Now this is going to stay inside of the hat, make it a little shorter so it doesn't bother you when you wear it, and then you have your hat. Now when you then decide, you know, I don't want to see the gray anymore, in my case, you simply turn it around, you stuff the gray side in as you pull, like that, and then you attach the white side. Make it nice and fluffy so it looks like a nice pom-pom, and then you attach that to your hat. I hope this video was helpful on how to make a reversible, awesome looking full fur pom-pom. Please like, comment, and share this tutorial, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on the rest of my social media pages. Thanks for watching. Bye!